Hello friends, I am twirling.through Bookstagrammer and the link for my Insta page is given in the description box. Once again, I am here with my new video, and if you like the content, do subscribe, like and comment. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. So in this video, I'm going to talk about few book series for children up to the age group of 10 years. You know, the growing years are the most crucial years for the children. They are like dough, and this is the time when we can shape them as far as their habits are concerned. Reading is something which I personally feel is the best way when it comes about grooming the child, when it comes to good manners, moral values, exploring the word, enhancing the language, developing the love for literature. This is the best time, and the books are the best medium. But as a parent, we are always always very confused, or we are not able to decide what kind of book we should get for the child, because as a parent we always want to bring something, gift something best, get something best for the child. So hopefully this video will help you in getting a good gift in the form of a book for your child. So my first choice in this series is Geronimo Stilton by Elisabetta Danmi, an Italian author. The character Geronimo, created by the author, is very, very popular among the kids up to the age group of 10 years. And this is the book, which anybody can read also. Like, you can also go for this one. This is an international best-selling children book series, and the character Geronimo is like all-time favorite of children. It is, as you can see, it is very colorful. The pictures are there. They are very colorful pictures. The font size is age appropriate. The children, they love, and they won't be having any difficulty in reading. The words are written in bold. The illustrations are very pretty. The material of the book is very attractive. The presentation is very, very attractive. So the children, they love looking at the pictures and going through the story. In this book, the stories are basically a kind of adventure in which the characters are like fairies, knights, kings and all. And the children, they are fond of all these kind of characters. So you can go for this colorful book for your child without any kind of hesitation. Geronimo Stilton series, one of the best series for the children. The second choice of mine is Wimpy Kid's Diary by Jeff Kinney. First of all, this is a book which encourages love for reading among kids. Diary of Wimpy Kid is, it's famous for bone tickling and funny kind of stories. And once again, the book is completely, you can see, is filled with illustrations, pictures. The font size is perfect. The language is easy and simple to understand, and the stories are very cute. They are very cute kind of stories. It's basically as the name suggests, Wimpy Kid's Diary. It's a kid's diary. It's a diary of a 12-year-old child who shares his experiences with illustrations. And this is, when you will read this, I'm sure you're going to fall in love with this book. This book also focuses on do's and don'ts. This is a classic and good for fun. Pick this one without any kind of hesitation for your child. My third pick is Tom Gates Literary Series by Scholastics. This book is again very funny, and the story revolves around the main character Tom Gates, who is like any other child, who hates going to school, who doesn't want to go to school. He loves drawing and painting, he loves his band, and he loves fighting and arguing with his elder sister Delia. The book, again, see here also, the book contains illustrations, the language is age appropriate, and the font sizes makes it easy to read. This is again one of the perfect read for the children up to the age group of 10 years. This is one more book which you can get for your child, and I'm sure the child is going to love this one. My fourth pick is Roald Dahl books. You know, Roald Dahl books has a kind of magic, and I think each and every child is touched with the magic of Roald Dahl books. Roald Dahl books have made the children they have converted the children into avid readers. The books are packed with suspense, thrill. Some of the stories are very funny, and the level of imagination is very high, and the children, they love that imagination. They love that imaginary world. They love those castles. They love that chocolate factory. You must have heard of the very popular book Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. So Roald Dahl always touches, the stories always touch the heart of each and every child. This book is for all age group. You can read, I can read, and obviously children, they love Roald Dahl books. Roald Dahl is one of the most popular author as far as children books are concerned. My last pick is one of my favorite author, Ruskin Bond. The short stories written by Ruskin Bond are the best as far as the content is concerned. In his stories, which he has written specifically for the children, the main character is always a child, and that's why the children, they are able to connect to the character, and they love reading the stories. And the stories are very short, and they always give a good message. That's why I said the content is always very good, a message giving kind of content, and very, very entertaining stories also. Some of them are very funny, some of them are ghost stories, different kind of stories are there, a variety of stories are there. So this much for today. Hope after watching this video, you won't face any difficulty in selecting a gift for your little one. If you like the content, do subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.